You've arrived at your Ryokan. Now what? Japanese inns follow a beautiful rhythm that first-timers often miss. Here are 7 steps from check-in to your first bath. Step 1. Shoes off at the entrance. Leave them at the genkan. The staff will handle the rest. Slip into the waiting slippers and step up. Step 2. Check-in comes with tea. You'll be seated, served green tea and a small sweet. Relax. Nothing here is ever rushed. Step 3. Your room tour. Staff will show you the tea set, yukata sizes, and bath hours. Don't look for a bed. Your futon appears later. Step 4. Change into your yukata. Wrap the left side over the right. The reverse is only for funerals. Add the jacket in colder months. Step 5. Head to the bath before dinner. Walking the hallways in your yukata is perfectly normal. Just bring your small towel and room key. Step 6. The bathing ritual. Wash and rinse thoroughly first, then soak in slowly. And remember, towels stay out of the water always. Step 7. The after-bath glow. Cool down, sip some cold water, and let dinner time arrive. This slow moment is what Ryokan life is all about. That's your first evening at a Ryokan. Calm, warm, and unforgettable. Next time, I'll show you a hidden option many guests miss. How to book and use a private kashikiri bath, just for you and your group. See you there.